Let me ask you something. How many buttons in your car do you actually understand? Not just press randomly, but truly know what they do and when to use them. If your answer is a few, you're not alone. Most people drive their cars for years without realizing half of its built-in safety and convenience features. But here's the thing, some of these so-called hidden features are not just cool tricks. They can save your life, make driving smoother, and even save you money. Today, I'll reveal the real use of hidden car functions that automakers never bother to explain properly. And trust me, after watching this, you'll look at your car in a completely different way. Let's begin. That little icon with a car and wavy lines? Most drivers have no clue what it's really for. It's called traction control, or sometimes electronic stability control. When your tires start slipping, maybe on wet roads, mud, or loose gravel, this system instantly reduces power or applies brakes to keep your car from spinning out. What most people don't know is this. When the traction control light flashes, it's not a problem. It means the system is actively saving you from losing control. If you're stuck in mud, snow, or sand, turning it off temporarily can actually help your tires spin and break free. But driving around with it off? That's a dumb move. You're basically disabling one of the car's best safety features. If your TCS light stays on constantly, not flashing, that's a warning sign. Get your system checked. We've all been there, driving west during sunset, visor down, and that sunlight still burns through the corner like a sniper shot to your eyes. Here's the secret. Most cars have a hidden sliding extension tucked inside the sun visor. Pull it out, and boom, you've just blocked that blinding side glare. Less distraction, less eye strain, safer driving, especially on highways during golden hour. This feature has existed for years, but shockingly, most drivers never use it. Most people turn on the AC manually, adjust airflow, temperature, fan speed. Total mess. Here's the shortcut. That defog button on your dashboard isn't just decoration. When pressed, it automatically turns on the AC and heat in the right balance, directs airflow to the windshield, and clears fog way faster than manual tinkering. Parallel parking can be a nightmare, especially in tight spots. But if your car has reverse tilt mirrors, it's hiding a brilliant trick. When enabled in your settings, the side mirror tilts downward as soon as you shift to reverse. The result? You see the curb clearly. No more scraping expensive rims. Many drivers don't even realize this feature exists in their model because it's turned off by default. Some cars let you choose which mirror tilts, left, right, or both. Summer, scorching heat. You walk to your car and the air inside is like a furnace. But guess what? Many modern key fobs can roll down all the windows at once, even before you open the door. Usually, you just hold the unlock button for a few seconds. Some models require pressing unlock twice and holding it on the second press. Hot air escapes before you enter, the AC cools faster, and it prevents dashboard cracking and seat burns over time. This is one of the most underrated quality of life features. What happens when your key fob battery dies outside your car? Panic? Nope. Inside almost every fob, there's a hidden physical key. Look for a tiny release switch or button. Slide it, pull the key out. Then find the discrete keyhole, often under the door handle cover, and you can manually unlock the car. This backup trick is a lifesaver during emergencies, especially at night or in remote areas. Car interiors have more hiding spots than you think, under the passenger seat, under floor mats, in removable bins inside the trunk, even behind side panels in some SUVs. Automakers design these spaces for storing emergency kits, valuables, or cables out of sight. If you keep valuables inside, avoid obvious spots like glove boxes. Thieves know those. Use the hidden bins. This is low-tech, but pure genius. Blinding headlights from the car behind you can turn night driving into torture. That tiny lever under your rearview mirror solves this instantly. Flip it, and the mirror tilts slightly to reduce glare without losing visibility. Many modern cars have auto-dimming mirrors that do this for you. But even manual ones work beautifully. Most drivers ignore it completely. It's an old-school feature that still outperforms expensive gadgets in one click. Cruise control isn't just on and off. There's a resume button that many people never touch. Imagine you're cruising at 100 kilometers per hour. You brake for a moment, and cruise control disengages. Instead of resetting everything, just hit RES. The car will accelerate back to the exact speed you were maintaining before braking. Smooth highway driving, less driver fatigue, more fuel-efficient long trips. It's not a toy, it's a comfort tool. Ever tried replacing your wipers and realized they don't lift fully? That's because they're parked in a low-profile position. Most modern cars have a hidden service mode. Turn ignition on, then off. Tap or hold the wiper stalk depending on your model. The wipers lift up and rest in the middle, giving you full access to clean or replace them. Check your manual for the exact button sequence. Once you use it, you'll never fight your wipers again. We've all walked away from the car and asked ourselves, did I lock it? Modern cars have a setting called Walk-Away Autolock. When you leave with the key fob, the car senses the fob is out of range. After a few seconds, it locks itself. Lights flash or the horn chirps for confirmation. Zero stress, no double checking, peace of mind, especially at night. Enable it in your car's settings menu if available. This isn't just for emergencies. If you can't find your car in a crowded parking lot, hold the panic button on your fob. The horn and lights activate, guiding you straight to it. Yes, it's loud, but it saves time and sometimes embarrassment. So here's the truth. Your car is smarter than you think. It has dozens of features built to make your life safer, easier, and smoother. But no one tells you about them. We covered real safety systems like traction control, comfort features like mirror tilt and cruise resume, and hidden tricks like Autolock, storage bins, and defog hacks. Now it's your turn. Which of these features surprised you the most? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear your answer. And if this video helped you, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because the next one might just teach you something your car dealer never will.